Ever had a moment where an optical illusion totally fooled you or even got a little dangerous? Today, I'll show you some mind-bending illusions you probably see around you more than you realize. We'll break down how they work and why your brain gets tricked so you can either have more fun or avoid some pretty weird situations. 2-axis illusion. This one won first place in a neuroscience illusion contest. At first glance, it looks like it's spinning vertically, but tilt your head or shift your focus, and suddenly it's spinning horizontally. And if you stare at the center, it might even flip directions, clockwise. No wait, counterclockwise. Seriously, what is happening here? Your brain is just guessing. Fake rotation. Check out this one. These balls seem to be rotating together counterclockwise, right? But focus on just one ball. It's not rotating at all. It's just moving back and forth in place. Your brain connects the dots and creates motion that doesn't even exist. Spiral illusion. That's not a spiral. Looks like a spiral, huh? But plot twist, it's actually a bunch of perfect concentric circles. And here's another version. Looks like tangled ropes? Nope, they're not tangled at all. Everything's neatly spaced out. Our eyes are lying to us. Again. After image expansion. Okay, try this. Stare at the red dot in the center. Don't blink. Don't look away. Just keep staring. I'll tell you when to stop. Ready? Just a few more seconds. Now look around you. Does everything look like it's zooming in or expanding? That's your brain taking time to readjust. After watching motion, it's wild. Brightness illusion. Here's a fun one. Look at this image up close, and the face seems bright. Now back up a few feet. It looks way darker, right? The brightness literally changes based on your distance. Optical sorcery. Ebbinghaus illusion. Which of these two circles is bigger? Trick question, they're the exact same size. The background just messes with your perception. Classic brain trap. Want illusion. These two lines look curved, but they're perfectly straight and parallel. Switch up the colors or the background, and now they look curved in the opposite direction. Your brain's like, I give up. Ponzo illusion. These yellow lines look like they're different lengths, right? But they're exactly the same. Your brain sees the perspective like train tracks and adjusts for distance, even though there's none. Zollner illusion. These lines look chaotic, angled in every direction. But if you erase the short diagonal lines, they're all perfectly parallel. Just some background noise confusing your brain. Again, motion illusion. Okay, this image isn't moving, like at all. But it looks like it's shifting, right? Even if you pause the video, it still feels like it's moving. That's your eyes reacting to contrast and micro movements. Cafe wall illusion. This one's named after the wall of a real cafe. These lines look like they're slanted, but guess what? They're all straight. It's just that the black and white blocks mess with our spacing perception. Color illusion. Which square is darker, A or B? Looks obvious until you cover the middle. Boom. They're actually the exact same color. This checkerboard illusion breaks your brain every time. Leaning tower illusion. The tower on the right looks way more tilted than the one on the left, right? But they're identical. Same photo, just side by side. And the second set of buildings? Same deal. Your brain assumes they're diverging when they're not. Ehrenstein illusion. Look at these squares over the circles. They look warped like ninja stars or weird shapes. But they're just plain old straight-edge squares. The surrounding circles distort your perception, again. So how many of these illusions got you? Turns out, your eyes are not always the most trustworthy. Use these to impress your friends, prank your roommates, or better yet, protect yourself from illusion-based dangers out in the world. This is Stickman, signing off. Let's stick to it together.